welcome to today's video. As you may be able to see, I am opening my Stitch Fix, and this is my 19th fix. Can you believe it? That's almost 20 fixes. That's way more than a year. I'm going on almost 2 years because I get it about once a month, so I'm super excited. I have not peeked. I did take the tape off, and Emmy, my cat who loves tape, is playing with it in the background. I did that so she wouldn't be rubbing against the tripod like she was just doing. But anyways, if you do not know, Stitch Fix is $20 a month, so that is a $20 styling fee that applies towards any purchases you make in your fix. I actually have a link that I will provide below that is a $25 Stitch Fix credit, so that will cover your fee for the box and $5 towards any purchases. If you do use it, I do get a $25 credit as well to apply to any future purchases, just so you know. It's not an affiliate link, but it is a referral link. So you're welcome to use that if you'd like. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I obviously love it. This is my 19th fix. I will link a playlist I recently created for all my Stitch Fix openings that I've done. This is the 4th one I believe I've done on my channel. So anyways, I am going to unbox it and then I will go and try things on and show you as usual. I'm wearing my Stitch Fix outfit, so like a loose tank, and I wear black shorts so I can easily try on any tops I get. Alright, so when you open it, it looks like this. So they give you a prepaid return envelope if you do not keep everything. And if you do keep everything, you get 25% off your total purchase. So sometimes it's worth it. Like if you love 4 out of 5 things, like it's sometimes cheaper just to keep all 5. So they give this huge mailing bag, which is really nice. So make sure you don't lose that. But if you do, I believe you can print out another mailing label online. So as always, it has this little panel that says, "Oh, hello." And inside it gives you some outfit ideas, and there's also a note from your stylist. And it looks like I have another new stylist this month. So the last 3 months I've had different stylists. I think it might be because I moved, who knows, because I used to have the same one, Candace, I believe her name was, for like 16 fixes maybe. So it says, "Hello Kitty, happy fix day. I hope you are having an amazing day and that it's about to get even better with the addition of some brand new pieces to add to your summer wardrobe. Since you weren't shopping for anything super specific in today's fix, I went for casual and lightweight pieces to help you carry through the rest of the summer heat and style." And then it talks about certain specific items and how to pair them and incorporate them into my new wardrobe, or into my wardrobe. And then she talks about my Pinterest style board. So that's another thing I highly suggest if you use Stitch Fix to create a Pinterest board. I will link mine below. I actually pin images straight from Stitch Fix, so there is a chance if you pin them you may possibly get those items, or at least something really similar. So yeah, definitely check that link out below. I love Pinterest for that reason. I never really got into Pinterest before that, but anyways, so here is the list of everything, and if I keep it all, it's $234. But I'm going to set this aside so I can tell you what each item is. Stitch Fix, in general, the average price per item is $55, but you fill out a survey when you sign up, so you can put in your preferences, like what you prefer to pay, like if you want the cheapest possible, if you're okay spending more money on something like jeans, like they'll ask you a lot of specifics, but it doesn't take too long to fill out. So I think I said like probably around $55 because all my items, like I have $68.50, $48.58, $88. So there's like one that's a little pricier, but the most pricey thing is $88 and it looks like it's a dress. So sometimes I'm willing to splurge on that. So it looks like I have some shoes in here because they usually come in this bag, and then the rest is always folded. So, oops, I just dropped some out. Oh, well at least you can see 2. They fold them really cute and you can see all the patterns. So 2 things fell out, so I'll just place those on top. So let's look at the shoes first. If I can get these open. Ooh, they look like cute sandals. Let's see. Okay, I'm kind of struggling, but I think I can slip them out of the hole to show you. So they are red sandals by Mia, and I like how they have the ankle strap here. This is super cute. So I won't be trying these on because I don't think you guys want to look at my feet. But these are in a size 8.5, which is perfect, my size. Obviously, when you sign up, you give them your sizing. Let's see how much these cost. These are the Mia Ozella Laser Cut Sandal in red, and they are $50. So I will try these on and let you guys know how they are, and I will also take a picture. Did I tell you guys this yet? If you don't know, on my Instagram stories, every time when I'm unboxing, I post a picture and I do a poll if I should keep or not, and I actually kept the items that won the poll that you guys said yes, I should keep. So I take your opinion seriously. So as always, I leave my social media links below, so if you like that sort of thing, I think it's so fun. You can help me decide what to keep. So I I think until tomorrow to choose. And you can extend your checkout window too with Stitch Fix, so if you need longer to decide or you're just not around to even try things on, you can extend your checkout window so you're not charged for everything. So I think that's awesome. Not all styling services have that. I'm gonna stop rambling. So the next thing I see, oh, this is a cute top. Oh, I love this. This is by Collective Concepts in the size medium. It's this beautiful color with this floral detail on top. Let's see how much this one costs. So this is $58. It's the Yangtze split neck top in teal green size medium. This is something I think I'll really like, but we'll see. I'll probably try that on first since I have the black shorts on. Oh, and this looks like a dress, and this is a Stitch Fix exclusive. Let's see. So this is like a wrap dress, it looks like. See that? Let's read about that. That must be the $88 one, I'm guessing. Yep. Lyoto Rye Jersey Faux Wrap Dress in black, size medium, $88. So this seems super comfortable and stretchy, and it is lightweight. Like, it's super hot in Florida, like I mentioned in every freaking video, but this is lightweight enough that like it'll be good for the fall, I think. I can't believe it's almost fall, by the way. But I'm excited because that's the most beautiful season in Florida. Alright, so moving on. Ooh, this is pretty. Alright, so this is another dress. This is the front, yeah. So this is a sleeveless dress, and it has this black and white pattern. Oh, there's a zipper in the back, it looks like. This is by 41 Hawthorne, which is a brand I often see featured in Stitch Fix. And I usually like their stuff. It's called the Dora dress in black and size medium. Cost is $68. So I will try this one on shortly. Oh god, Emmy, don't lay on the clothes, please. And then, oh, it looks like this is a skirt. It's like a sweater material skirt, and there's like some little cross stitching in the side or whatever you would call that. It seems really comfortable. Normally this would not be my style, but that's one reason why I love these, because I try things and maybe I'll love it. Like maybe I wouldn't pick this out at the store to even try on. So I have discovered pieces that way. So this is a Jilly Shoshana knit skirt in gray size medium, $48. So that is everything. So I am going to pause this video and get into my first outfit and show you guys. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I really like this top. I tried this on first since it's easier with, I'm wearing some black shorts, so something I would possibly wear this with in the future. I think it's really pretty. Like, I don't know if, I'm using just natural lighting right now by the window. I don't know if you can tell how pretty this teal color is on camera. I clearly would have to wear a different bra, but I really like it. I just posted on my Instagram story, so yeah, let me know if you like it too. It fits really loosely and comfortably. It's not too tight anywhere. I just, like I said, would have to wear different bras to pull this one down. Actually, it's not too bad. So I like it. I like where it hits. Super breathable. And again, this one was $58 by Collective Concepts. Alright, I am going to go change. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is the Lyoto wrap dress. And I like it. It's super comfortable. So this one's $88, so it's the priciest item in here. It's a faux wrap dress, so this is all on the outside. So you don't have to worry about wrapping it up yourself, which sometimes, honestly, can be hard. But, I mean, it's a little booby, but I kind of like it. I love wrap dresses. I think they're so comfy and flattering fit always because they emphasize the hips. Or your waist, I should say. And it's 3/4 length. It is light, like the stylist said. So, yeah, I just posted this again on my Instagram stories as the poll, so let me know what you think. Alright, on to the next. Okay, so this is the 41 Hawthorne dress, and this is $68. The back is like a crisscross. It was kind of difficult for a second to figure out how to put it on, but once you do, it's fine. Maybe I'm just a little dumb with that stuff, but I mean, I wish this was a little bit more low cut personally, but it is kind of comfortable. It's a little bit cinched at the waist, or whatever that word is. So what do you think about this one? I like the length. It hits like an inch or two above the knees, but yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, remember when I said that sometimes you try things that you normally wouldn't and then you like them? I think I really like this skirt. I have to stand, sorry if you can't hear me well, I have to stand pretty far back for you to see all of it, but it is super comfy, like sweatshirt material, like it kind of looks like. And this white shirt is totally wrinkly because it just came out of the wash, but I kind of like it. Ignore my pouch, but it's super comfy. It's the cheapest item in my fix, so this is $48. So yeah, let me know. And again, this last item were these shoes that I think I do like these. You know, I was just thinking, I wish I told my stylist about my trip to Jamaica, but I did not know in time, so I just planned that trip. So that would have been nice to get more items for that, but it is nice to get items for, you know, upcoming fall and like everyday use, because I don't think you dress like you do in Jamaica every day at home. But anyways, thank you for stopping by. Again, I will leave the link for a $25 Stitch Fix credit below, along with my Stitch Fix Pinterest board, and also, sorry, it's like half my body on the screen, but, and also for my playlist for my past Stitch Fix videos. So, and again, check out my Instagram if you want to help me pick out my items today. So, thank you again for coming by, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye. Okay, you guys, I just tried on these sandals, and they are so comfortable, and they fit perfectly. I just wanted to show you quick. Like, I really need a new pedicure, but, and I'm very veiny and pale, but I think these are super cute, and they're seriously like, they're padded in here, so it's super comfortable. So anyways, have a good day.